Hey there, TV enthusiasts! Struggling with your LG Smart TV ThinQ TV? Is it giving you those unexpected technical hiccups just when you're settling in for a cozy binge-watching session? Don't worry. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix your LG Smart TV ThinQ TV by addressing some common issues and providing you with practical solutions to get your favorite shows back on track. Let's turn that glitchy screen into a cinema-worthy experience. Step 1. Restart your LG Smart TV. The first thing you should try when encountering an issue is a simple restart. Unplug your LG Smart TV from the power outlet. Wait about 60 seconds and then plug it back in. Turn the TV on again and see if the issue persists. This allows the system to reset and can often solve minor glitches. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Since your LG ThinQ operates as a smart TV, a stable internet connection is vital. Begin by checking your router and ensuring that it's working correctly. If the internet seems shaky, try restarting the router. Navigate to your TV settings and test the connection under the Network menu. Ensure your TV has a stable wireless connection or consider using an Ethernet cable for a more reliable signal. Step 3. Update the software. Outdated software can lead to various issues with your smart TV. To update your LG Smart TV ThinQ TV, go to Settings, All Settings, General, About this TV, Allow automatic updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Keeping your software up to date ensures the optimal function of your TV and access to the latest features. Step 4. Reset picture and sound settings. If you're experiencing issues with picture or sound quality, try resetting these settings to their default state. Go to Settings, All Settings, then navigate to either Picture or Sound and select Reset to Default. This can help resolve any customizations that might be causing the issues without affecting the rest of your TV setting. Step 5. Diagnose hardware problem. Occasionally, the issue might be hardware related. Check the power cord, HDMI cables, and any external devices connected to your TV to ensure they are securely connected and functioning properly. If you suspect a hardware malfunction, consulting with LG's customer support or a professional technician might be necessary. Step 6. Perform a factory reset. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset. This will restore the TV to its original settings, erasing all personalizations, apps, and account logins. Go to Settings, All Settings, General, Reset to Initial Settings to perform the reset. Be cautious, as this action is irreversible. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix your LG Smart TV ThinQ TV. From restarting the system to performing a factory reset, these steps should help you troubleshoot and resolve common issues with your smart TV. Remember, keeping your TV software up to date and maintaining a reliable internet connection are key to ensuring a smooth viewing experience. If you're still encountering issues after trying these steps, don't hesitate to reach out to LG support for further assistance. With your TV back in action, you can dive into those epic shows and movies without interruptions. Enjoy your improved viewing experience.